All right. So now, if you're feeling like there are times where, man, it's feeling a little chaotic in here. I feel like I'm losing control here. Or, wow, I'm noticing that students are just like consistently doing this thing that's like a negative thing over and over. And I don't know what is going on. It may be time for a relaunch. Okay. Now, let me know in the comments if you know what a relaunch is or have done relaunches before. I would love to know that. But it really is kind of what it sounds. Re means again, right? So launch again. Okay. So here is what a relaunch is. It's when you notice a rise in negative behavior that becomes a pattern. You take a break from instruction to reteach routines and expectations for one challenging area. I underline the one because I know that you might notice a whole lot of things going on that you need to speak to. But when you relaunch, you want to focus on one challenging area. So you know how in the beginning of the year, you're launching routines and expectations for a workshop if you use that, or for conferences and small group instruction and mini lessons and all of that. You're teaching them step by step what their role is and how this is going to go, right? In a relaunch, you're not going to redo all of that again. It's just focusing on that one challenging area. Now, let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. So here is a relaunch example. So let's say in 1 week, you notice on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday that students are interrupting your conference or small group lesson. Okay. Maybe they're coming up to you and tapping you on the shoulder, or just blurting out saying they need help with something, or they're just interrupting you and you cannot finish your conference or small group lesson. And you notice that Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay. That's consistent behavior that's happening. It's a pattern, right? It's time for a relaunch. Okay. And so then what you would do in that relaunch is you're going to give them strategies that's focused on problem solving when they get stuck and they want to ask a teacher for help. Okay. Now, how will you know what strategies or what problem solving strategies to teach? This is where tracking that engagement is going to be so important. Different engagement tracking tools that you can use to identify who's on task, who's not on task, what behaviors you're seeing, because that's going to help you decide what problem-solving strategies you need to teach them in the relaunch, okay?